Okay, so I'm going to introduce performing multiple transformations. This was a handout that you received, and I'm going to go through number 1. The first thing it says to do is plot these pre-image points, so I went ahead and did that. Then in your directions, it says reflect the pre-image across the y-axis. So remember, this one is the y. So right now, A is 3 to the left. I go, that one, A was 3 to the right, excuse me. And I would go 3 to the left. C from the y-axis is 2 to the right. I go 2 to the left. When you do this, make sure you put a tick mark beside your letters that shows that you performed a transformation. Now, this is what's different to you. It says rotate 90 clockwise. You will be rotating this figure that you just drew, not the pre-image, okay? So you always use the previous figure when performing multiple transformations. The pre-image is done. I'm going to rotate this one. So 90 clockwise, I turn my paper 90 degrees to the right, because clockwise is to the right. From my origin, I write down where my letters are at now. So A, looking at the coordinate plane this way, is 2 to the left and 3 up. So I'm just going to write on my paper, -2, 3. B is 3 to the left and 4 up. So -3, and I'm just going to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. And C, these are my ones with the apostrophe, again, not the pre-image, is 6 to the left and 2 up. Okay, now that I've rotated my paper and I've written down what the coordinates are, I'm going to actually graph what I just found on my paper. So, A was at -2, 3, so -2, 3. B was at -3, 4. And C was at -6, 2. Okay, so again, when I label these, make sure you put the tick marks. A is here, and I put 2 apostrophes. The reason I'm putting 2 apostrophes is because this is my second transformation that has occurred. When you get into sequencing, it's going to be really important that you pay attention to those tick marks so you know how many things has happened. So again, that makes sense. I rotated this one, and this is where it ended up. My last transformation says translate 4 to the right. Again, I'm going to use the one I just graphed. So I'm going to move these coordinates 4 to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's my new B. 1, 2, 3, 4. A. And guess how many tick marks I'm going to put? 3. Because, oh, I got to put too many there. No, I didn't. I got it right. Because this is my 3rd time I've moved the object. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you are going to end up with lots of figures on your paper. That is okay. The way that you tell which one is the final one you drew is they told me to do 3 different transformations, and this one has 3 tick marks beside it, 3 primes. So this is my last image. All right, that's it for multiple transformations.